Everyone is talking about AI. Every tech giant has its own ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama, you name it. AI is sweeping the world, and let's be real. It won't be long before it takes over your workspace, or maybe it already has. But don't worry, if you're a complete beginner and have no clue where to start, this video is just for you. Let's break it all down. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that allows machines to think and learn like humans. It's what powers Siri, Google Assistant, Tesla's self-driving cars, and even your Netflix recommendations. AI systems analyze information, recognize patterns, and make predictions based on data. There are different types of AI: narrow AI or weak AI. This is the AI we use today. Performs specific tasks like virtual assistants, Siri and Alexa. General AI aims to create machines with human-like intelligence. Super AI surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, but remains hypothetical. But how does AI actually learn? The answer is machine learning, which is a fancy way of saying AI learns from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms learn patterns from data. This allows them to make predictions or decisions and improve over time. There are three main types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data. It's like teaching a kid using flashcards. Unsupervised learning algorithms discover patterns in unlabeled data. AI finds patterns in data on its own, like sorting different types of fruit without knowing their names. Reinforcement learning is where AI learns through trial and error. This is how AI beats humans at chess and video games. It is used in image recognition, spam filtering, and natural language processing. By leveraging machine learning, AI systems analyze vast amounts of data. They identify patterns and make increasingly accurate predictions. This ability to learn from data makes AI transformative. Machine learning is a subfield of AI, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning has models like discriminative, generative, and large language models. The combined technology of LLM and generative model is what powers ChatGPT and Gemini. Now, let's talk about deep learning, the powerhouse behind modern AI. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses something called artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain. These networks are inspired by the human brain's structure and function. With node and neurons, deep learning algorithms learn complex patterns from massive datasets. It powers self-driving cars, facial recognition, and even medical diagnosis. It's what allows AI to recognize faces, process speech, and even create realistic human-like text. Ever wondered how Alexa, Siri, or ChatGPT understand what you're saying? That's thanks to natural language processing, NLP, which allows AI to understand and generate human language. It enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP tasks include language translation, sentiment analysis, and text summarization. Chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Bard, Google Translate are good examples. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Generative AI, this is AI that can create content, text, images, music, and even videos. Text-to-image AI creates stunning images from text prompts like DALL-E, text-to-text AI that writes essays, stories, and even jokes like ChatGPT. Text-to-video AI, creating and editing videos like Canva or InVideo. Generative AI has numerous applications, from creating realistic images to creating 3D models and composing music. Generative AI pushes the boundaries of creativity, enabling machines to generate novel outputs. This technology is a powerful tool for innovation. As AI becomes more sophisticated, addressing ethical considerations and its impact is crucial. AI bias. AI systems can inherit and amplify biases in data, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy is a major concern, as AI often collects and analyzes personal data. AI hallucinations generate factually incorrect or misleading outputs. The potential for AI to automate tasks raises concerns about job displacement. Addressing these issues requires collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. Establishing ethical guidelines ensures AI benefits humanity and mitigates risks. By fostering dialogue, we can harness AI's power for good. Ethical AI development is essential for positive impact. Thank you for watching. If you like more videos on AI and technology, do watch our videos.